Hey, hello. I'm back with another thought of the day, or from my heart to yours, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys haven't missed me too much. The way I choose the topics are things that are resting on my heart, and this one has been resting for a couple of days. I just had to figure out the exact words that I wanted to say in order to portray this thought to you guys in a way that maybe will have meaning to you. So, first I wanted to talk about this guy. You guys know what this is, right? It's a penny. What do you think of when you see this? If you see a penny laying on the ground, what is your thoughts? If it's heads up or if it's heads down? When you get extra pennies at the store, what do you do with them? I'll tell you a quick story. So, a long time ago, before my husband, I dated a guy, and he detested pennies. Hated them. So, whenever we would go through a drive-thru or the gas station, afterwards, he'd throw his coins into his car, into the change collector spot where he had a bunch of change. And then when he was driving down the road, he would look and he'd grab the pennies and he'd flick them out the window. Now, there were a lot of pennies, and I would always say, why are you doing that? Why are you getting rid of your pennies? And he's like, it's just a couple pennies. It's just a couple cents. And at the time I was like, okay, whatever. Yeah, he's probably right. It's probably like 14 cents in a couple of days. But, over the course of his lifetime, that's probably added up. But besides that, what message do you think he's sending to the universe by throwing away pennies? By throwing away money? Any money? What message are you sending to the universe? So if you see a penny on the sidewalk and you walk by without picking it up, what message are you sending to the universe? It's an interesting question, right? Now, if somebody handed you $1 million, or if you saw a $100 bill laying on the sidewalk, you definitely wouldn't walk by it. But a penny? What message is that sending to the universe? So as I started pondering this, I started picking up all the pennies that I saw. And you guys know in our mantras that one of them that we say is, I am a money magnet. So I say that to myself. Oh, thanks, Lisa. Thanks for sharing. I say that every single day, and I started to see more and more pennies. But as I walked by them, all I saw was pennies. So I started picking them up. Every penny, heads or tails, doesn't matter. They're lucky because they're money, and you're picking it up, and you're a money magnet. And as I started picking them up, guess what happened? I stopped finding pennies. Guess what I started finding? Quarters, nickels, dimes, more money. So the universe was getting the message that I am a money magnet, and that as I find the money, as the money comes to me, I'm willing to accept it. Interesting, right? Is this changing your perspective at all on finding these little pennies on the sidewalk or on the floor or maybe even in the gutter? Maybe it's a dirty penny, but a dirty penny is still a penny, right? And then you're sending that message out into the universe that you're willing to accept what it is sending, and then it will bless you in abundance. Okay, so hopefully that's not a little too out there for you guys. If it is, that's fine. So if you don't have a copy of our daily mantras, I am more than willing to send these to you. I have it in a PDF. Just send me a message or a text if you have my phone number, and I will send these to you. Facebook message is always a good way to reach me. And I'm more than happy to send these to you because at the end of these videos, we all say these together. So you ready? Here we go. I choose to be proud of myself. I am a money magnet. I am smart. There is no limit to what I can achieve. My past does not equal my future. I am powerful beyond measure. I am beautiful. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Be sure and share this video out. Let's spread the love and spread the wealth all across Facebook. Everybody needs a little positivity, right? Okay, we'll catch you next time. Love you.